Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue east on U.S. Highways 64 and 74 along the Ocoee River Gorge. We begin at the Tennessee Valley Authority's Ocoee Dam No. 2 on our right, and we're going to stop and take a look around. This is a hydroelectric dam that impounds the Ocoee No. 2 reservoir, built in 1913. Ocoee Dam No. 2 utilizes a wooden flume that carries water from the reservoir down the side of the Ocoee Gorge to the dam's powerhouse 5 miles downstream. It is situated at the center of one of the nation's top whitewater rafting locations, and the dam's releases help to maintain consistent rapids on the river during warmer months. The 2 units at the powerhouse downstream from the dam have a generating capacity of 23,100 kilowatts. The dam typically schedules major recreational releases on weekends in the spring and fall, and 5 days per week in summer months. The dam's flume consists of a wooden trough situated upon a shelf carved out of the cliffside. The trough carries the water to a point just above the powerhouse, where it drops the water 250 feet, or 76 meters, through 2 large steel pipes to the powerhouse below. Without this flume system, the dam, at just 30 feet high, would be practically useless as a power plant. On the right is the Ocoee Whitewater Center, which was the canoe slalom venue for the 1996 Summer Olympics in Atlanta, and is the only in-river course to be used for Olympic slalom competition. A 1,640-foot or 500-meter stretch of the upper Ocoee River was narrowed by 2/3 to create the drops and eddies needed for a slalom course. Today the course is watered only on summer weekends 34 days a year for use by guided rafts and private boaters. When the river has water, 24 commercial rafting companies take more than 750 raft passengers through the course each day. Because the river is dry most of the year, the center, now operated by the U.S. Forest Service, also serves as a site for hiking, mountain biking, conferences, weddings, and receptions. It receives about 300,000 visitors a year. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the city of Ducktown, which has an estimated population of 472 as of 2018. Ducktown was the center of a major copper mining district from 1847 until 1987. The district also produced iron, sulfur, and zinc as byproducts. We conclude today's video as we enter Cherokee County in the state of North Carolina. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.